Hello YouTube family, it's been a long time since I uploaded a video. I have been very busy and I apologize, but I am back with the DIY melt and pour soap video that I thought you would enjoy. My kids love erasers. I picked this up from the Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put these erasers inside the soap, and I'm going to show you how to do that. If you do not like to use erasers, you can also use a heart-shaped mold, and pour the soap in, and I will show you how to do both methods. So what you're going to need for this is you're going to need a mold. I have this heart mold. I got it from my local Goodwill for like $1. I know AC Moore, Michaels, Hobby Lobby carries these. I also got this heart-shaped mold from the Goodwill. You could also use this mold, silicone. I got that off of Amazon. Soap you can purchase at Hobby Lobby, Michaels, pretty much any craft store, AC Moore. And I added my scent in here, 15-second bursts in the microwave, and I'm using red balm coloring from Nurture Soap Supply. So what you're going to do is you're going to melt your melt and pour soap, 15-second burst in the microwave, keep stirring, make sure everything is melting evenly, and then you're going to add your fragrance, which I did, and now I'm going to add my color. I'm just going to mix it in. I also put in some Super Sparkles mica. That's why it's like sparkly. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up or not. So what you're going to do, you're going to fill your molds up halfway. Alright. Then you're going to spray with some 91% rubbing alcohol to get rid of the bubbles. You're going to let this set up, and then we'll be back with the next step. What we're going to do basically, wait till these set up, dip the erasers in a little bit of the clear melt and pour. You're going to need, it doesn't matter what the bottom soap is, whether it's goat's milk, shea, coconut, it doesn't matter, but the top has to be a clear soap base, because if it's not, you're not going to see your embeds. But if you would like me to show you a different way to just kind of glue with soap, obviously, the erasers onto the hearts, I will also show you that, and I will be back when this is set up.